Southern Maryland Midweek Cruising Wednesday, Leonardtown, Maryland, at the Arby's and the now Weiss, whatever, however you say, grocery store. Pretty good turnout tonight. I'm John. This is Out of Order Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Yeah, there's Tim's 32 Ford, all steel, 392 Hemi. Check out the insides. This was done back in the day. He's kept the interior the way it was. Ron's Porsche. Model A. Stock. Last one safe. Pretty neat. How you doing?
Hello again.
Good turnout tonight here. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful blue on that. Nice looking car. Yeah, what a nice looking Corvette. So what do we have here?
Yeah. 2008 Corvette. 2008 Corvette with a big engine in it. Original.
Clean. Beautiful car.
Yeah, beautiful.
Is it all stock?
All stock. All stock.
Just
all
like
stock.
it came from the factory?
Yes.
How many miles?
16,000 miles on
That's
it.
it?
Yes.
Wow, let's take a look inside here.
Yeah. Open the door.
Look at the wheels.
Yes. Yeah, came General Motor wheels. Everything came with it.
Got a nice looking interior.
Original interior.
Not a mark on it.
Two T-tops. It's got two tops with it.
Oh, okay.
Got that one, and I got an extra one in the garage that goes with it.
Huh. Very clean.
Yes.
And what's your name?
Lee Bonds. Lee Bonds.
Lee.
The owner. Lee Bonds.
You got a nice looking car here.
Yes.
So there we are. 2008 Corvette.
Yes.
Thanks for showing it to us, and thanks for talking
Yes.
about it, and have a good day.
Okay. Thank you, sir. And thank you for doing that.
No
Yes.
problem, no
Thank
problem.
you so much.
Here's another Corvette. That's pretty nice. Clean. It's one of the reissued two-seater Thunderbirds from 2002-ish, I think. Now that's a camper. Look at that. That's what I need. Wow. Done off an Econoline van. There's Billy's Jeepster. Clean 69, I think, dark. It's a 340 car. Wow, look at this. Beautifully done. '56 F100. That's very nice. Look at this. They've done an extended cab kind of thing on this Chevy truck. There's some more room. A lot of custom work to get that done.
Oh, okay, I did that. I've had Tom's niece do some painting on some of my benches. Like I'll do the benches. Somebody just do some
Truck.
pink flower.
How about Dave's 69 Camaro with the 502 big block in it? Nice work under the hood there. The whole car is nice. Look at this 80 to 86 F-150. Nice wheels, tires, standard cab, long bed. There's another one, similar era. There's another standard cab, long bed. And then Ford Ranger. Got turbo exhaust. Front fender down there. So who knows what's going on with that. Pretty good turnout. It says 1938 Chevrolet on the license plate frame. So I'm guessing that's what it is. Got some late model LS power. That's nice. All right, let's look at some more stuff. There's that extended cab truck again. Quite a contrast between stock Model A two-door sedan and the 32 Ford 5-window coupe, chopped and hot rodded. Look at this 55 Chevy two-door post. Really nice. Look, got traditional big block power in there. Wow. That's 66 Chevelle SS 396. Got small block in it right now. It's Billy's 64 Biscayne. Really neat. Yeah, the headers. This 63.5 Galaxy 427 car. 2 4s. It's Frank's car. Let's get these two as we're going around. We're missing a few here and there. Out of order, no pun intended. It's a Cutlass Sierra. Bad sun angles. Neat. Nice Survivor. 69 Chevelle 4-door. He also has a 2-door, the blue one. That's kind of sits high all around. How about 70 Chevelle? Nicely done under the hood. Look at that. It's got House of Color paint on it. Bright gold. 03 or 04 Mach 1. These are neat. 4 valve. 4.6 with no blower. It's got a shaker scoop on there. Factory. Those are neat cars.
Anyway, I saw
All right. Let's look at some of these other cars. Challenger on bags. Look at this. Is that plumb crazy? Charger. 70. That's neat. Oh, it's a Charger 500. Sorry. So yeah, this is a 69 Charger 500.
No, I bought them 2 dogs from
36 Ford, all steel, small block Ford power, air conditioning, all the comforts, scratch built, rumble seat. These did not come with rumble seats, but he did it. It's a beautiful car. Flames are perfect. Mike's 31 Model A. Let's get it from the other side. The sun is killing us on the angles today. Small block Ford, 4-speed. Oh, you're welcome. Thanks for watching. '69 SS396 Chevelle. Seen this one before. It's got late model LS in it. Air conditioning, power steering, brakes. Nicely done. Beautiful. '69 SS396. Big block power. Cobra. Donnie's Cobra with EFI small block. Mustang style power in it. There's Frank's Cobra. This one's got 289 in it, I believe. And there's somebody's, I don't know whose this is. Nice looking Harley. Can't forget this Cobra. It's clean. 66 or 7 Comet. Huh, it's running without a hood right now. 427, 2 4s. It's a convertible. Shaved door handles. Automatic. Got the column that tilts to the right. I wonder if that's a Thunderbird column, because I don't know if that ever came in these. Huh, pretty neat. There's a late arrival. Martin in his 427 Cobra. That's clean enough.
Hey, John, how are you?
Hey, pretty good.
Some idiot sprayed windshield wipers. Shit, I think they had mineral oil in their windshield wipers.
No.
Fluid.
427. How's it doing? Okay still?
Yeah. Yeah, man, she's really good.
It's Fred's Buick Regal T-Type. This has the 3.8 turbo, same powertrain as the Grand National. They offered it 2 ways, T-Type or Grand National. This 66, Olds 442. Nice car. I believe it's for sale, or it was for sale. I don't see a sign in it right now, but if you're interested, let me know. I can get you in touch with the owner. It's got a 455 swapped in place of the original 400. And I believe it's a stick shift car. Yes, it is. 4-speed. Really nice car. 66 442. It's a Ford retractable hardtop. That whole hardtop folds back into the back. Demonstration of operation here. There you have it. 57 Ford retractable hardtop. Great engineering in that. Hey,
70? Yeah. I think it was a 60.
Is that a 70?
70, yeah. It's got the lights all the way across the back.
Yeah, he said yes.
Yeah, so the little, you know, on the sensor has 2 little steel things, and then there's 2 little female things.
68 Firebird. That's nice car. a Chevy leaving off into the sunset. '66 Chevelle off into the sunset. That'll do it for the Wednesday midweek cruise in. John, this has been Out of Order Garage. Thanks for tuning in, folks. See everybody on the next one.